Hi everyone, my name is Dale and I'm at my clinic right now. This is one of the treatment rooms that we have here. I have this antique vintage cabinets that I store my medical supplies and treatment devices in here. I use it a lot. This is probably as old or older than me, and of course there's a lot of wear and tear on this thing, and we use it basically daily. And the unfortunate thing was one of basically the knob here for the cabinet's door is missing. I've been looking for it with the same match exact. It's almost impossible. It's almost like if you probably have a better chance winning a lotto than getting one of that knob look like. But you know, I still have my hope. But in the meantime, I still have to use it daily, and it's hard when you don't have both hands on both of the knob. Anyway, I found a solution. So today is Easy DIY series number 2. To fix a quick fix is just a simple zip tie and a keychain holder. So this is how we're gonna go and do it, and a scissor to cut off or top it off. So I'm gonna show or demonstrate how we can do this, and I'm sure at your homes you have many of this issue or with some of the cabinets. If it's older, there are other ways you can do is you could use a screw, buy the new one, glue it into the tip, or put some glue Loctite, and then it'll be good. For my instinct, I didn't want to buy something that's different, so this is how I do it. So the zip tie here, I go from the inside, see the hole, and I poke it through this hole, put the key ring holder into it, and all I have to do is run this back into the hole and slowly zip tie it, and tighten it up. Now you can, and the extra, excuse me, anyway, I use a scissor to cut it off. So basically now I have a temporary doorknob, and I can use the fingers, go in and out. So anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next series.